How do context managers improve Python exception handling? Imagine writing code that automatically takes care of cleaning up after itself, even if things go wrong. That's exactly what context managers do in Python. They make handling errors and resources much smoother. When you work with files, network connections, or locks, you want to ensure they are closed or released properly. Otherwise, you might run into resource leaks or bugs that are hard to find. Context managers handle this by using special methods called enter and exit. When you use the with statement, enter runs first to set up your resource. When the block finishes, whether normally or with an error, exit runs to clean up. This means you don't need to write extra try-finally blocks to guarantee cleanup. It simplifies your code and makes it more reliable. The exit method also gets told if an exception happened inside the with block. It receives the exception type, value, and traceback. This allows the context manager to decide what to do next. If it returns true, it signals that the exception has been handled and should not be raised again. This helps you catch and log errors or suppress them if needed. Because all this logic is inside the context manager, your main code stays clean and focused on what it's supposed to do. It also makes debugging easier because resource management and exception handling are centralized. You can even nest multiple context managers to handle several resources at once. For example, opening a file and a network connection together, and ensuring both are closed properly if an error occurs. This nesting keeps your code tidy and safe. While the basic with statement doesn't support inline exception handling, you can design custom context managers to handle specific errors internally. This pattern can make your code more elegant and robust. Real-world debugging. Context managers are great for opening files or network connections safely. You can create your own to catch and log errors related to specific resources. Using utilities from the contextlib module, you can redirect output or mock inputs during testing, which helps you find bugs faster. Overall, they improve exception handling by automating cleanup, centralizing error logic, reducing boilerplate, and making your code easier to read and maintain. This leads to more effective debugging and fewer bugs slipping through.